Hello, this is Florence Azria. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm gonna start by making the dough. I'm using a basic dough that I use for most of my tarts. It's simple to make and it's, you suit basically every tart. It's what we call a sablé in French, which is basically a sweet dough. The good news about this dough is everything goes at once. So let's do flour first, confectioner's sugar, butter. Don't look at how much, but it's when you grab a slice, it's not that much. It just looks much, but it's not. And one egg. One secret with the sablé dough is not to overwork the dough. Just because the butter releases too much and it's gonna be too greasy. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flour the surface that I'm gonna use. Okay. So see how my dough is still crumbly but soft. So now I'm gonna give it a good massage. It's basically like when we were a kid and we play on the sand and you bring all the sand together to make a castle. And voila, you have the perfect consistency for the dough. Now I'm gonna roll it out into the tart mold. Here we go, what I do. So again, don't work the dough too much. So gently, we're gonna finish it by hand. So gently. Now I'm gonna bring the edges to a pretty shape, extending my dough. I'm gonna push it towards the edge so we make a very pretty edge because you don't want it to sink. So it's kind of like patchwork. When there is not enough in one side, you can use whatever is left. They are rolling and pinching at the same time. But again, don't overwork the dough. See how I'm doing it? Next step, I'm gonna prick the bottom with a fork. Very important for air circulation. You don't want your dough to rise. You want it to stay flat. Usually the best is to chill it for at least 2 hours. But if you don't have time, it's fine. I'm gonna use parchment paper on top of it and tie weights. Let's do 20 minutes with the weight at 350 convection, and then when it's done and the edges are golden, we're gonna remove the parchment and the weight and keep on baking for another 15 minutes. Remove the tart from the oven, let it cool for 5 minutes. Voila, absolute beauty. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Delightful Mrs. Azria. I'm dropping a new video every Thursday at 6. Enjoy for now. Bye-bye.